I woke up yesterday only to discover that my backup account has been demonetized by Facebook. Now, come to think of it, this backup account, I've not been posting on it. Like, I don't post in short, for over 6 months, I've not posted on that account. So, which means even though if Facebook is supposed to demonetize my account, it should have been my main account. But you can see my main account is very, very okay, and my backup account is demonetized. So I'm going to show you how I was able to get my backup account restored. Now, so many creators on Facebook make mistakes like this. Like, sometimes they didn't do anything, as like they have not done anything wrong, but Facebook will just go ahead overnight, get the account demonetized. So many people don't actually know how to fix this problem. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you the practical steps on how you can actually do what? Recover your monetization if at all you were demonetized. But before I go into that, let me let you know what you should not do on Facebook, because for over the weeks, like 2 weeks ago, Facebook keeps demonetizing. I don't know if it is a system error, but I will call it a system error, because like me, on this backup account, I've not been posting. Same way, most of my students were as well demonetized. So, in short, some Facebook coaches too were demonetized without them even doing anything wrong. In short, most of them post their, if it is AI, would have said this. Like me, I've not been posting on this account, and I don't even post AI. So I don't know why they will just wake up and say my account is suspended. All right. So I understand. So let's talk about things you shouldn't do on Facebook. Now, Facebook is a platform that does not like anything that has to do with what? Misleading content. So you have to be very careful when it comes to you posting content on Facebook. You have to make sure you have verified and know that this content is not misleading. Avoid any content that contains blood or those or dead body, or that contains accidents or violence. Avoid posting it on your Facebook page. All right. And if at all you are going to be advertising for somebody, make sure you properly check all those things before you go ahead to advertise, because you might end up advertising for somebody and then end up losing your account. Also, avoid all those groups. I understand Facebook will be the one to tell you to share your videos to group, but at the end, they will still be the one to put you into trouble. So avoid sharing your content into groups. You can either use profile or any other account to share your videos to group, but not you yourself. All right. So now I'm going to be sharing my screen and then take you the practical steps of how I was able to recover my page. Now, in case the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe, or click on the subscribe button, then turn the notification button on, so that whenever I make important videos like this, you get to benefit. I actually create content on YouTube and then Facebook and on editing. So my channel is just a good channel for you. Now, first thing first, one of the things you must know, if you take a close look, this is my backup account. This is my backup account, and this is my main account. If you take a close look at the two, you will discover that this one has a problem. You can see we suspend your page. They now will see details. So now we're going to click on the professional dashboard. This professional dashboard will take us to the back end of the page, so that we can be able to take our process. Now, if you take a close look, they say we suspend your page because it did not follow our community standard. Do you see it now? So they have, so meaning this account has been suspended. The recommendation has been suspended. Now, if you go to monetize, look at after community, you click on monetize. Let us also see our monetization button. And if you take a close look, you will also discover that this account has not been earning. Yes, actually, I've not been posting on this account for over 6 months, or if not more than. Now, let's check our recommendation. Now, if you take a close look, you will discover that my recommendation is suspended. You can see page suspended. Do you see it now? Now, but if you take a close look, they say good news, no violation to show. Do you see it now? Normally, if you have issues, you were supposed to see it in your recommendation here like this. Do you understand? Now, let's go back again to check our dashboard. But before we do that, take a screenshot of this place, because we are going to be using it. So you can see I've just taken the screenshot. So now you go back after taking your screenshot, then you go back to the front line. So in this, we'll click on monetize. We also want to take a screenshot of our monetization dashboard, which is here. You can see I've also taken the screenshot. Then I will come back to this place. I will also take a screenshot of this place. The reason why I'm taking this screenshot is because I want to tender it to Facebook so that let them see everything. Now you can see I've as well taken a screenshot of this place. So I will come back to this place. Then I will click on this three dots. You can see a three dots right at your top right hand side. So now why we are going there is we want to copy our page link. You understand? We want to copy our page link. So go ahead and copy your page link. Now, after you have copied your page link, the next thing we now need to do now is to begin the journey of reporting this issue. Okay, now you click on that, you will see at your top left, you will see a three line, okay, which will bring you to your Facebook menu like this. So click on it, then click on help and support, then click on report problem. So now when you click on report problem, click on continue to report problem. So you can see creating report. Down, click don't include. So it's going to bring you here. Scroll down. It is a page that have problem. So click on page. Okay. So now when you click on page, you are going to be, you can see they say describe the issue. So meaning you are going to be telling Facebook what really went wrong or what happened. So you can see I say good day, Facebook Meta team. I just discovered that my page monetization has been suspended. Okay, has been suspended, and my recommendation again that is so suspended as well. Please kindly review and resolve this issue okay. In case you don't in case you can take a screenshot of this writing so that you can use it, okay, because I believe this is a system, this was a system error. Yes, I have to tell them that it was a system error because me myself, I know I didn't do anything wrong. Okay, I now say, and here is my page link. Now that link that you have just copied, you paste it, then click on this place that says upload from phone. So we are going to be bringing in all those this thing that we just copied. Okay, all those screenshots we took. I will bring in the three of them. So you can see I'm bringing them from upload from phone. I'm bringing them in. So you can see I've just the three of them that I screenshotted. I've just bring it in. Okay, so after you have you are done here, you're going to see over there that says that button you see is send button. So you go ahead and click on that send button. Now when you do this is how it works. You are likely to get a response within 12 hours or 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours, sometimes 72 hours, while sometimes it can linger more than that. Now, when you have sent this report, wait for at least, if at all you did not get any reply from them, wait at least a minimum of 1 week before you take any other step. Because if you keep taking steps without getting a feedback from them, you are likely to make them relax. Okay, so you just wait until they get you reports. Now, if this does not work now, that is when you will now take. This is what I did that got my own account restored. But in most cases, if your own is difficult and after 1 week you still discover that your monetization has not been restored, what you should do is you can get your profile, you get it verified. Okay, I think with thing, just get it verified and then chat the support team themselves. Okay, now sometimes most of this support team, they don't even know what to do or how to help you, but they will just try to talk to you. You understand? But tell them to give you. Now, the reason why you are going to be chatting with them now is that you are going to be telling them to give you a link to your page health status. Now, the health status you see on your page is different from the one Facebook have. That is why sometimes Facebook will tell you that nothing is wrong with your page, but in your own page, you are seeing that something is wrong. Reason is because what they are seeing from their own end is different from what you are seeing from your own end. So ask them to give you the link. So the Meta team can actually send you that one. Okay? That Meta team can send you that one. Now, in case this works for you, then that is fine. If this still did not work for you, I'm going to be making a video again on how to reach out to an oversight board, which is the highest of them all. This oversight board, these are human beings that will sit down and then work on your what? On your issue. All right. So in case this is the first time you're still seeing my YouTube channel and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. This will really help this video a lot. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and feel free to leave any questions in the comment section and I will talk or handle it. Thank you.